Zcash is expected to grow 7.9% by March 29, Gov Capital Collector shows. But first, let's start with the current situation on the market. As of now, Zcash has moved down 1.4% in 24 hours and is currently at $219.79. Let's move on to Analyst's forecasts. Gov Capital Collector says the price might go up to $237.08 tomorrow. That's a move of 7.9%. Crypto Predictions believe Zcash could push toward $223.39, a potential gain of 1.6%. Digital coin price highlights the potential to move downward to $217.92, a projected fall of 0.9%. A different forecast by Traders Union expects Zcash might move down to $203.99, about 7.2% below now. To conclude, coin data flow points toward $191.02 by tomorrow, a drop of 13.1%. This is the highest yield forecast we've reviewed. We've gone over 5 predictions. Let's continue. All 5 forecasts reviewed. Here's what they suggest in numbers. From the complete set of projections, the price could experience a move between a decline of 13.1% and a gain of 7.9%, depending on the analyst. It appears coin data flow ends up with the highest projected return with 13.1% increase in value by March 29. Ultimately, you could collect between $9 and $131 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at the odds, digital coin price is number 1 with a 98.2% chance of success. From all the forecasts combined, I've created one consolidated scenario. The consensus target puts Zcash at close to $214.68. So here's the breakdown. According to the consensus, the price could fall by 2.3% by tomorrow. That translates into your capital growing by approximately 2.3% too. If you applied $1,000 here, it could show around $23 in return, which adds up to a probability of about 96.4% for the consensus forecast to hold true. At this point, here's what analysts anticipate for the coming 3 days. A stronger push upward is expected by Gov Capital Collector. Crypto Predictions describes the short-term picture as largely unchanged. A gain is anticipated by digital coin price, who remains bullish. For this short horizon, Traders Union describes the market as flat with little scope for variation. Coin data flow anticipates Zcash falling. By aligning the forecasts, the consensus points to Zcash holding its ground without major changes in the short term. Summing it up, the balance of forecasts is bullish, with Zcash likely to follow a rising course. 5 forecasts were made 2 days ago for the following day. Now that it's behind us, we can check the results. In the end, the day's last trade was around $215.43. Only one analyst managed to get the trend correct this time. The closest prediction came from 30 rates. Let's move on to the breakdown. Yesterday's close confirmed 2 forecasts inside the candle. Looking at ROI, some forecasts closed in the green, and the highest figure was 1.4%. And now, the overall results are on screen. Everything in one view. In today's data, Gov Capital Collector registered $31.31 in accuracy, 45.1% forecast probability, and minus 4.4% ROI. Take a guess, who do you think gave the most accurate forecast? And now we can observe how the predicted returns for tomorrow differ across a few assets. This time Zcash doesn't hold first place because Fetch shows the strongest outlook at 5.9%. Currently, Zcash is matched with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. The extended profitability view and full analyst statistics will soon be shared on my website and Telegram. Before we move on, make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy seeing all these forecasts side by side. See you in the next one.